When it comes to value for money or a fantastic cheap gift idea, it's hard to beat the Inca LensPen. Aside from being incredibly hard to open, there are absolutely zero downsides to this product. Now, this is in no way an official guide about this product, nor have I ever read or received any training or guides about how to use a lens pen. I'm just talking from years of experience here because this product is easy. It has two ends, one of which is the flat spongy rubby end and the other is the clicky retractable brushy end. Brushy end is your main go-to. This is nearly all you'll ever need for lightly brushing off any dust from your lens. I never care about direction or technique, I just brush and it works. The rubby end is for when you've borrowed a lens from some numpty that has left a big fat fingerprint on the glass, or maybe you've got a dried water droplet that's leaving a small mark. I always use this end second as I don't want to be rubbing around a bit of dust, but honestly, it's pretty hard to get this wrong. But all it will give you are results that are so right. But most importantly, keep the Inca LensPen in your kit always.